Hello everyone, welcome back. Did you know there are over 8.7 million species on Earth? And scientists are still discovering thousands more every year. That's a huge variety of living things from tiny bacteria to giant whales. Biology helps us make sense of all this diversity through classification, a way to organize life's incredible variety. Now, think about a library with no sections or labels. Finding just one book would be nearly impossible. Life is just like that. Without classification, it would be very hard to study or understand all living organisms. Classification helps biologists group similar organisms together and understand how they are related, making it easier to learn about them. Scientists organize life using a ranking system called taxonomy. It goes from very broad groups to very specific ones, like this: domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. For example, a lion belongs to kingdom, Animalia, phylum, Chordata, class, Mammalia, and so on all the way down to its scientific name, Pantheroleo. Now, let's meet the main groups of life, called kingdoms. Scientists usually divide living organisms into 5 or 6 kingdoms, each with unique features. Bacteria are simple, single-celled organisms without a nucleus. Archaea, which are similar to bacteria, but they live in extreme places like hot springs. Next, protists are mostly tiny organisms that can act like plants or animals. Fungi have mushrooms and molds that break down dead things. Plants, which are producers that make their own food using sunlight. Animals, which are consumers that eat other organisms. To avoid confusion, every species has a 2-part Latin name, its scientific name. This includes the genus and species. For example, humans are called Homo sapiens. This naming system is used worldwide, so scientists always know exactly which organism is being discussed. Classification also reflects evolution. Organisms in the same group share common ancestors. This helps us understand how life evolved over millions of years. And all this diversity plays an important role in keeping ecosystems balanced and healthy. Now, let me ask you this. Can you imagine what new species might still be discovered on Earth, or maybe even beyond? Next time you're outside, look closely at the plants and animals around you. They are all part of this amazing diversity of life. Thank you for joining me today.